everybody, Erica Page. I'm here. My camera person, Jamal Page, is behind the camera, and we are previewing this property from an investor. Erica Page, president of Living Luxury Atlanta team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And we're here previewing a property, an investor, and you may have seen my other video, an investor's just trying to unload some things. And so we're now doing an interior walkthrough of the property. I'm gonna take you along on it. So this particular property is in good shape. This is a 4-bedroom property, 2-story, about 25 years old. And it's got some issues for sure, but not terrible, so it's okay. So just here's a quick tour. Nice size foyer. We pretty much discovered we're gonna have to replace all the flooring. This tile is, fine. It's in good shape, just not in keeping with what we would do with the rest of the house. So we got this nice foyer. So this house that has a lot of big open spaces. It's not open concept, which is really hip right now, but there's a lot of spaces here. So here is a dining room, certainly would fit a 12-seater. This lamp is so gorgeous, probably a little bigger than necessary for this room, but maybe not. Maybe once you have a table underneath it. So here we have the dining room. It's got some nice judges panel and stuff like that. All of that looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna take you guys over to a very big living room. So it's a little dark in here. I hope you can still see. Got a big living room. Again, we definitely need an interior repaint. There's a little damage on the walls, not bad. Definitely a lot of scuff marks and nail holes, but not too bad. And then there's some places where there's actual holes. So, and then, but this was what I thought was the cutest thing. So this is like a little office, or I don't know, library, I don't know what you would call it. It's got these glass doors here on this side and here on this side. And of course, a nice window, pretty view. The windows are in good shape. They're those aluminum windows. You can't kill these windows. There's no wood rot or anything like that. They're pretty simple. Occasionally these mechanisms get a little funky, but this is like a $4 fix. So these are great windows. They're in great shape. And then, still walking through, we got a whole family room. So lots of space, like I said, lots of room. So separate big living room, separate dining room, an office and a living room with a wood burning fireplace with a gas starter. You can see the slider there on that side, and then another big window. So it's nice, it's kind of balanced out pretty nicely. Then keep on walking through, and we got a half bath. That's in good shape. A kitchen. The kitchen's not terrible. Definitely could use some updates. But not bad. Not bad. The discussion is whether or not to replace the cabinets or just to have them painted. What's y'all's opinions? What do you think about these doors? Are they dated or not? I'm just trying to think about that. Of course, we will replace the hardware, probably some with stainless steel, replace the hinges and such, all the light fixtures. The backsplash, though very nicely done, and with a tumbled travel team. I'm thinking it might be a tiny bit dated. Looking for you guys' opinions on that as well. So that is the main floor of this project, and let's go upstairs.